And watch these bees.
Look, Mama, flower, hold it.
I guess they don't want to be disturbed. And look at this. Oh, a snake. Oh no. There you go. And we got a lot of flowers coming out here. That's good. I mean, flowers equals fruits. This one over here. These I took it off because they wasn't flowering. This part, not. This is not flowering at all. So I don't see no fruits coming out.
Look, a mama flower, a baby flower doing. Look, a baby flower. Look, a baby flower, Daddy.
Hmm?
A baby flower sleeping. See? Look.
Baby flower sleeping?
Yeah. Where's Mama flower cooking?
He's sleeping?
Yeah.
Flowers don't sleep like that. Look like how many watermelons we got. 1, 2, and this is gonna be some. This is the it's the black. It's like a dark green watermelon. It looks really this and that. Got one that's getting big. It's that the firstborn right here. This is my firstborn watermelon.
Look, I got a baby flower and
Like
Mama.
that cucumber getting big down here. Bigger. See? Big. And my little bumblebee friends. See? It's not just bee, but bumblebees. Bumblebees come to eat. What's this guy? You see a chick? There's ticks flies. There you go. The bees. And they go Faye playing around with her little creative. What are you trying to do?
Fine, good.
Are you a medicine woman?
Yeah.
Yeah. She funny. And look how this cucumber grows. So nice. I never grew. I never done.
Look, a bee.
It's just so simple. So simple. You just do this, and you can just get the seeds from what you eat, and just you know, put it in some wet paper towel, and the block bag, and let it root, and then grow. Every year you will have cucumbers, you know, all the stuff, the shavings you can use as fertilizers. And see, it's not just something that's watermelon. Something like everything that can be grown can be raised generation after generations of variants. You know, it's a way of thanking us for growing, you know, watermelon and stuff. They're thanking us. They give us a fruit as a thank for nurturing them all these years. You know, so just giving fruits and just a way for us to open it. And then the only way we can give back to it is a seed. It's just you know, just take the seed and spread its love. And that's what plants. And that's how we like exchange this oxygens and they breathe out oxygen while we breathe out carbon for them to carbon dioxide for them to breathe. See? And this is mushrooms. This is root bark mushrooms. And this kind of mushroom here, it grows on roots. It goes on dead tree trunks and stuff, or branches. And I just left one here and it just started growing like this. And it has some very medical like uses. You can make teas out of it. Well, I'm not gonna try it until if I have to try it. When it comes to that day, your backyard can have all the remedies you need it. Like these right here. Oh, like this thing grows everywhere. I don't know. It just like, it has a lot of number of benefits. It just got write it down, record it, and then once when you need to it, put it back, Faye. Put that back.
Go back.
It's not where you put it back. Take it. Put it back for Daddy. Put it back where you found it. Not throw it there. What kind of move is that? Sorry. Kiss. Put it back. No, on the table. On the table where you got it from. Where you pick it from? Bebe. Pick up that and put it back on the table for Daddy now. Jeez. I don't know what's up with this. I mean, I think I feed it the wrong kind of insect. Any kind of poison it or something. Some kind of, it's all turning black. I mean, this keep, well, the new one growing out, but it's not. I don't know. It's had some price. It's just.